I am super excited to be here today to share with you how to take your box outside the box, the power of collaboration. I am Dr. Eboni Bell. Now, I went from giving away a couple of boxes at my church to the other picture you see here, all the way in Nyahururu County, Kenya, Africa. So what I'm going to tell you in the presentation today is how you can go from having one subscriber or giving away one box or selling one box to an individual home, all the way to reaching a broader community, but it's your same exact target audience. Now here's the thing, the difference in these two photos, right? Same exact target audience, both girls, both young girls, same audience, but you're talking about collaboration meaning greater reach, greater impact for greater good. Your business has the potential to start a conversation that can lead to an amazing collaboration. Yes, many of us want to make millions of dollars. That's great. But there are people who cannot afford your services and they cannot afford your products. And that is why we can never forget the why of why we're doing what we're doing. We're not doing it to work ourselves into the ground. We need to think about the people who cannot afford what we have. People who look like me. People who look like my sons. People who look like my cousins. People who are over in other countries that can't afford what we have. I want you to know that whatever your business is, you can use it for social good.
Want to watch the full video? Check out the link below to view more.